everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you these party bag fillers that were sent to me from TXtoys, which is a store that sells fun toys and party supplies. The set comes with 20 Emoji goodie bags and a variety of colourful toys and accessories. These include colourful metallic balloons, party whistles, adorable unicorn keyrings, mini dinosaurs, pullback cars, emoji slap-on bracelets, bouncy balls, mini springs with silly faces, glow sticks, unicorn tattoos, superhero tattoos, and easy to assemble glider planes. The toys and accessories are ideal for party bag fillers, but they can also be used for pinatas, classroom prizes, lucky dips, and much more. Overall, I really enjoyed unboxing these toys. They are super fun and a great way to pass the time when you're bored. My favourite toys are the glider planes. Let me know in the comments what your favourite toy was, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!